Okay, so in the same vein as my other health videos that I'm working on this week, I want to share with you something that I like to show some of my clients. So sometimes people ask me, like, how do you decide stuff, right? Like, how do I know how I really feel about something? Like, you come to therapy, come to hypnosis, and you sort something out in yourself, you feel better. But then it's like, well, how do I decide on this new version of me? So it's not, doesn't work for everyone, okay? So it doesn't matter if you don't like it, then just skip this video, do something else. But if this helps, I think, for some people, it's pretty cool. So what I'm showing you in this video is called applied kinesiology. Other people call it muscle testing. And the idea is that your body is a energetic measurement, right? Like you're an electrical field and this is an electrical universe. The quantum field is running electricity. Everything's electrical. Objects are electrical, animals, people. And so like if a group of people all hold hands, there's an electrical current that goes through and there's feelings that go through, right? And if one person lets go, the electricity stops. So because we have a built-in energy reader, which by the way is what my job is reading the subconscious. It's an energetic project. It's also an intellectual project. It's also a spiritual project, but some of it is kind of at the electrical level. And so you can train that level to kind of get more and more accurate. So this is how it works. Imagine that somebody is in the room with you. I don't have anyone here to do it, so I'm going to make you imagine it with me. And you hold out your arm, like your right arm, and this other person pushes your arm down and you push your arm up. Okay, so you're pushing up and they're pushing down. So there's an opposition happening, right? And as you're doing the opposition, I want you to do two different trials. The first one, you're going to say your name. My name is Maya. And you're going to be pushing up while they're pushing down. Okay, so you're going to try this with somebody in your house. You're going to say your true name. And you're going to notice that when you push up with your real name, you feel stronger. You can feel a strength in your body, and so will the person testing you. Then you're going to put your arm down, relax, and do it again, but lie. Okay, so you can say, like, my name is, Serafina. My name is whatever. Say a lie. You're going to notice a difference in the energy. Okay, you're going to notice that your body does not agree with that in the same way. That's an example. Now, you can also do it with objects. You can hold an object in your left hand. Your left hand is usually the receptive hand, your right hand is the emissive hand. That's how energy moves through. And holding something here, you can do the same testing, right? You can say, is this something good for me? Is this something that I want to be using? And you can ask your body the same. Maybe it says yes, maybe it says no. You're going to check based on the strength of the pushback. But now is the cool part, is this can be very portable. It can be something that you take around with you. So you can use your fingers in the same way, pretending that this is your arm holding out and this is the arm pushing down. So I'm making the same little lever, right, that I showed you just here, but I'm doing it just in my finger. So now I'm pushing this finger up and this finger down to get this oppositional energy. And now I'm going to do the same thing. My name is Maya. One, two, three, four, five, six. Pretty strong. Like I can get to 10 pretty easily. So now I'm going to relax it and then I'm going to do it again. My name is Beverly. One, two, three. It's already going down. One, two, three, four. Okay, some of you are going to come at me and say that I'm already biased towards the answer. Try it yourself. Okay, try it yourself. I want you to test it out on yourself and just see what you feel. It is true that the question you ask matters. So if you ask a question in such a way that you've already pre-decided or already know what answer you want, then yes, you are going to bias the answer. So your disposition and your intention does fall into the, does is part of the mix. I'm not going to deny that. At the same time, I also think that you can find that it's pretty fun to find out things that work for you and don't work for you. Like I like to use this when I go to pick out a supplement, or if I want to choose this brand versus this brand, I'll hold both of them in my hand and see what the energy is. Not always. Sometimes I just do it like a regular person and just, base it on price or what's on the ingredient list. But I really like this because it's taught me over the years to feel things more than just think them, which, as you can see behind me, I'm a pretty intellectual person. But it's been fun to learn how to also allow my body to give me data and information. So I'm not a doctor. That's a little entertainment and education for you. That's fun and kind of supplemental to thinking about how to make decisions, how to think about things, how to consider your own energetics. So I hope you like it. If you have any questions, just ask. I'm always happy to answer. Thanks for watching. I'm not a medical doctor or a mental health care practitioner. This is Mama Soul Doc Maya Alapin in Montreal, Quebec. I'll see you on the next video.